Hello, anybody? Absent? And we have
Michael Villa is there, Judge.
Michael Villa. Michael Villa, attorney.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that, Judge.
All right, now,
Benjamin.
where's your client? Is your client available or you're just here on behalf? Obviously you are.
Yes,
What
sir.
are you going to do on Mr. Andrews?
It's a traffic appeal, Judge, and I was contacted by a prosecutor with Davidson and Trujillo, and we were discussing the matter, and I was hoping we could get a few weeks so he and I could review it a little bit.
All right, so we'll recall it in 3 weeks.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Have excuse?
Yes, sir. Joshua Madrid, represented by Robert Valdez. Roberto. All right, we'll wait and see. Regular docket 500880. A fugitive, Levon Forrester, represented by Robert Geyer. Levon Forrester, absent. Robert Geyer, no response. Two cases, 585661 and 663, State of Texas versus Sergio Martinez, attorney, Paul Acevedo.
I have Mr. Martinez in the courtroom, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Martinez. Have you heard from your attorney?
I don't know, sir. Do you have anything?
Who's the attorney, Judge?
Paul Acevedo.
No, I haven't heard from him.
All right, we're gonna mark no response from the attorney. We'll see if we hear something. 607396, State versus Carlos Walter Sellers, and the attorney Stephen Strauss. This is supposed to be a plea. Carlos Selter, Carlos Walter Sellers, marked absent at this time. Stephen Strauss, no response. Two cases, 614535, 614563, State versus Lashana Collins, attorney Michael Collins.
Her long lost brother, Mike Collins, is here, Your Honor.
All right.
Lashana Collins is here.
Sure.
My client's here, Your Honor. I was speaking with Catherine last time. Is she available?
I'm sure she might be, but we'll find out.
So he's
Thanks,
You
number
Sean.
one.
want to confer? I'll list you number one to confer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You will.
Just hang tight, Lashana.
Page 2, 620541, set for a plea. Ashley Rodriguez, attorney. Rosendo Para III.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Rodriguez.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Have you
morning,
heard
Judge
from
Longoria.
Mr. Para III?
He's here, sir.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
All right. What are you going to do this morning? We're going to take the plea after all?
Well, I'd like to confer with the prosecutor because I have two cases today with her. So I just want to confirm a couple details.
Where's the other one? Which case number?
It's the same person, Judge. He has two cases.
Oh, I see. Two cases on the same person. All right. You're number two to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
621507, State versus Kayla Mata, the attorney, Roland Garcia.
They're in the felony court 144th today too, so I don't know if that's where they're at.
All right, we're gonna wait and see. Appears there in felony court also.
Judge, this is Ashley. I'm sorry to interrupt. Can you have Patty, or if Patty can hear me, make me a co-host so I can start conferring?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ashley Haas, I presume. We just had Ashley Rodriguez. All right, on Kayla Mata, for right now, I'm marking her absent. Mr. Garcia, maybe in another court. Two cases, 627415, 627416, State versus Keith Hernandez, attorney Valerie Fisher.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am present as well as Mr. Hernandez is present in the Zoom. We'd like to
Yes.
confirm with the state, Your Honor.
Mr. Hernandez is present, you tell me?
He is, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're number 3 to confer then.
Thank you,
Any other
Judge.
cases?
No,
All
sir.
right. What other case do you have, Miss?
She said no.
I'm sorry. 635472, State versus Joel Garcia, Attorney James Tochi. Joel Garcia, Mark absent. James Tochi, no response. 638117, State versus Aaron Morales, Attorney Adam Flores. Both absent. Set for plea, 638687, State versus Matthew Amis, Attorney Gregory Van Cleve.
I'm present, sir. I think she's in another, it's Miss Elizabeth Russell. I think she's in another,
That's
court right
correct,
now.
Judge.
It's not Van Cleve, or she's here for Van Cleve?
She's
We'll
here under
confirm.
the firm, but I think she's in, another court.
Okay, you're Mr. Amis, apparently.
Yes,
All right. Thank you.
yes, sir.
639024, State versus Jonathan McClellan, Attorney Greg Desmarais.
I have
Your Honor,
Jonathan in the courtroom, Judge.
and Your Honor, I'm present on Zoom as well. And I'd like to confer.
Very good. You're number 4 to confer. Page 3. 641018, State versus Jonathan Gonzalez, Attorney Melanie Lira. Jonathan Gonzalez is marked absent. Melanie Lira, no response. 641122, State versus Roosevelt Bush, Attorney Cornelius Cox.
Don't fall out of your chair. He's here, Judge.
What? Cornelius Cox?
He just called my phone. I'm not exactly sure where he is, but
He
I
just
just
logged on, Judge.
recently got off the phone with him, Judge.
All right, Mr. Bush. Stick around. I'm sure your attorney will be back. He had already signed in.
Yes, sir.
641317, State versus Peter Freeman, Attorney
It's 1:30.
Elizabeth Russell.
1:30, Judge.
That's scheduled for 1:30. Will be recalled at 1:30. 647230 and 647231, State versus Chauvin Solis, Attorney Paul Acevedo. Paul Acevedo, no response. Chauvin Solis, absent. 648207, State versus Daniel Schiffrell.
Your Honor, Eric DeWalt, I am here for my client, and he is currently on under DB LLC. We're just waiting on paperwork from the court, and we're ready for a plea.
Very good. Thank you, Eric.
Thanks, Judge.
Hang around. 648873, State versus Stephanie Sutton, Attorney Ashley Morgan.
Hey, Judge, how are you?
I am well. I'm Ms. Morgan. How are you?
I'm doing well. I have 2 on your docket. They're both present, Miss Sutton and Mr. Tyler Davis.
Okay, are you conferring today?
I would like to confer, Judge.
What's the other case number?
661750.
661750 on page 5. Yes, okay. I will mark you conferring on both.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day. 651230 and 231, State versus Errol Carrier, Attorney Oscar Hernandez.
Just
Errol,
that got reset, felony pending, same day, November 19th.
all right, reset, felony pending. Now we're going to page 4. 652-637, Luis Sanchez, and the attorney is Monica Kerala.
I'm right here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Sanchez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Where is your attorney?
I haven't spoken to her this morning. I just got an email for the Zoom meeting, so I'm here.
Okay, then stick around. I'm sure she'll be showing up.
Your Honor, thank you.
652-873, you're welcome. 652-874, State versus Tyree Cunningham.
Good morning, Judge.
Mary
Mary
Patricia.
Patricia. Yes, Judge. Good morning. I'm here for Cunningham. I'm still working on getting a hold of him. I'm not sure he's logged on yet, but I'm going to still work on that. If I could talk to the state, though, about his case, I think we were waiting to see what the restitution amount was going to be for the criminal mischief case.
Your case is set for conference, but your client will have to show or I'll be issuing a failure to appear.
I understand that, Judge, but I think I could still get some work done without him.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
653-538, State versus Azariah Pena, and that is Jay Norton.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I am well. How about you?
I am good, and Mr. Pena is present, and I believe we are have done the paperwork for a plea.
Very good. So noted. 658-085, pardon, 656-085, State versus David Thurston, attorney Arnulfo Ortiz. David Thurston is set for a plea, but is marked absent. Arnulfo Ortiz, no response. Two cases, 657, 654, and 655, State versus Christopher Dominguez, attorney Raimundo Aleman. Raimundo Aleman, no response. Defendant.
I'm Christopher Dominguez is here, sir.
Well, wake up, Mr. Dominguez.
He's trying to unmute himself.
All righty, hang in there. We'll wait for Mr. Aleman to appear.
Yes,
he is impaired on his sight. 658-141, State versus Monica Forrester, attorney Sharon Thorne.
Good morning, Your Honor. My client's on and we are getting ready for plea. I think she's partly signed paperwork. I'm waiting on Patty to send me the rest.
Very good.
Can you put her email address on chat?
I did.
Okay, thank you.
658-275, State versus Robert Johnson, no attorney. Robert Johnson. Robert Johnson is marked absent. On to page 5. Six five nine seven five six, State versus Jeffrey Green, attorney Ronald Zimmerman.
Yes, Judge. I'm present and Mr. Green is present as well, too. If we could be put in line to talk to the state, that would be greatly appreciated, Judge. In addition, Judge, if I may be briefly excused, I need to go over to the magistrate's court just for a few minutes, and then I should be back in.
Can you, Judge, can you let him know he's number 7 and they're already on number 6?
All right, Mr. Zimmerman, you're number 7. They're already conferring with number 6.
Number 5, no.
Um,
Number 5 is, but it looks like number 6 is next. Sorry.
It's real close, so we might have to skip you and come back when you report.
Okay, Judge. Actually, if we're that close, we should be able to get this wrapped up fairly quickly, Judge.
Stick around then.
I will stick around, Judge.
Very good.
Thank you.
66175, you're welcome, sir. 661-750, State versus Tyler Davis, attorney Ashley Morgan. We already checked her off on that one. 661-998, State versus Marisa Longoria, attorney William Davidson. Marisa Longoria, absent. William Davidson, attorney. Not present. 665376, State versus Maria Burkett. Attorney Ivan Barrera.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sid Greehey. I'm filling in for Ivan. He's in another county this morning. We're just looking for a reset.
And Ms. Burkett, is she present or not?
My office spoke to her this morning. I believe she's on, but I'm not sure what name she's under.
Well, it better be Maria Burkett.
Judge,
All
can I
right.
just ask Patty if she received my client's email address? I haven't received any paperwork.
Eric, because the judge is here in my office on my computer, I can't get there until he finishes calling the docket, and I'll do it as soon as he gets done with that.
Gotcha. I was just looking for paperwork. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I'm in the same situation, Patty, because I think my
Yes, ma'am.
chat went to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
judge. Okay.
666132, State versus Ray Castillo, attorney Jose Rocha.
Present, Your Honor.
Hello, Your Honor. This is Jose Rocha. Your Honor, I apologize. I'm in the hallway in the courthouse. The other
Sounded like
court.
you were in a barrel.
I'm sorry?
Sounded like you were in a barrel, Jose. What you got to do today?
Your Honor, I have 6 different settings, all that started around the same time. So I'm trying to juggle everything.
Okay, well,
On
let
this
us know when-
particular, yes, sir. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Let us know when you're ready to do something. Are you going to confer later or what?
Well, Your Honor, I think at this point, I am waiting for the district attorney's office to provide me with some evidence and whether or not they have contacted their witnesses. So yeah, we can ask for a quick reset because today, obviously, I'm very, very booked. If not, then if for judicial economy, you can set this for a trial, a jury trial.
Well, why don't we just go ahead and put you on a reset for one more pre-trial. And if you cannot resolve it, we'll put you on trial docket then.
That works, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
30-day reset, Patricia,
It's December 7th.
7th of December.
Okay. And Your Honor, I believe that that's all the cases that I have on your docket today.
Very
Maybe-
good. Then you and Mr. Castillo are excused. Be safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
668-193 and 668-194. State versus Michael Boteo, attorney Cornelius Cox.
Cornelius Cox, right here, Judge, at your service.
Oh, Elizabeth, no, Elizabeth. Oh, Elizabeth. This is the big one. This is the big one.
Judge, okay. I like that chair, Judge. I have a remainder interest in it.
I hear you.
I don't know if he's on, Judge.
Michael Boteo.
Yes, I'm logged on right now.
Okay. All right.
Very
That's good.
Both of your
Could I,
clients are here.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I would like to, I'm going to need a pre-trial resets on both, but I would like to see Mr. Portillo in a breakout room if I can. Judge.
Mr. Boteo will be placed in breakout with you, Mr. Cox. Once you're through with the breakout, we're going to reset you, you say, for how long you need? 30 days at the most.
Yeah, 30 days would be fine, Judge. And also on Mr. Bush.
All right.
Okay.
So it shall be. You'll be excused. Are you going to confer with Mr. Bush or?
No, I don't need to confer with him, but I'll confer with the state on Bush. But I just want him to be able to leave. Both to be able to leave after I go out. After I have the breakout room with Mr. Bateo, then I will ask that he be excused too, Judge. I mean,
he will be once you conferred with him, he is excused. Mr. Bush, you're going to confer with the state on him, you said.
That's correct. But I have Mr. Bush excused too.
Yes, sir. Okay, we'll excuse him too.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, Cornelius. Take care.
Judge Longoria?
Okay.
Yes.
This is Rosando Parra.
Yes, sir, Mr. Parra.
I just got done conferring with the state. I just wanted to see if we could get this reset for 1 week.
You just have one more name, Judge, for the docket to finish calling the docket. You just have one more name to finish calling the docket.
Okay, hold on, Rosendo. We're going to come back to you in a minute.
Yes, sir.
669991, State versus Mark Flores, attorney. Sally Gonzalez.
Charlie.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm here and my defendant is present.
Very good. There's going to be a plea today?
Yes, Your Honor. Can I stand in line for the ADA when they're available?
Of course.
Thank you.
I prefer that you relax and be seated, but if you want to stand, that's okay too. All right.
Talking to?
That is the docket. You said you wanted to stand in line. I said,
Oh.
I prefer that you relax and be seated, but that's okay.
Okay, I'll
All right.
sit.
Okay. Let's see.
Your Honor.
Mr. Parra. Talk to me,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Parra.
So I just finished confirming with the state. They offered us, I got the offers now, but I wanted just a little bit of time to confirm my clients. So if I could get this reset for one more week.
We'll recall you. Which case was it?
Page 3. Sorry, page 2.
Case number
Actually,
6.
yes. The top one, 62054.
Okay. On Parra, recall 1 week for plea. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Do you have a date on that?
Well, today is the 4th.
To
May we
the 11th of next week?
reschedule it for Wednesday, November 17th?
All right. How about Wednesday, November 17th? That's a little longer than you wanted.
If we could do next week, that'd be great. But if we have to do
No.
the 17th, that's okay.
17 is going to be.
Okay.
The boss lady done told me.
I appreciate it, Judge. Thank you.
And can you remind Mr. Parra to go ahead and email me his client's email address so we can have the paperwork done prior to the 17th?
Did you hear him?
Yes, sir.
Email
Will do.
the email address of your client so we can get all this wrapped up. It's a little bit rough for us to be set for pleas and the paperwork ain't done and we got to be waiting and might have 3 or 4 people want to do it and the same thing. Having to
No,
wait.
not a problem,
All
sir.
right.
I'll make sure she gets it.
All right, Mr. Parra, thank you.
Yes, sir. May we be excused?
You and your client are excused.
Thank you, sir.
Mike Collins, are you finished conferring?
Your Honor, yes, I can finish confirming, but I need to be put in a breakout room with my client so I can make a report to the court.
Is your client here? Didn't answer.
She is.
first.
Oh, yeah, she answered.
Oh,
She answered.
okay, you are correct. All right. Ms. Garcia will put you, and Ms. Collins, your sister in
Sister in another life, Your Honor.
A sister from another father, whatever. However that goes.
Judge Paul Acevedo is on.
Paul Acevedo.
Page 1.
Judge,
Buenas
I am
tardes,
here.
buenas tardes.
I have 2 clients, Your Honor. I have a Sergio Martinez
Right?
and a Siobhan Solis.
Mr. Martinez answered. What are you gonna do with him?
Mr. Martinez, I don't know if he's in the
He
Zoom.
didn't answer, Judge.
I'm marked him present.
Okay, I haven't seen Mr. Martinez since he's been out of jail.
He's in the
Sergio
courtroom.
Martinez,
Sir.
He's in the
He's in
courtroom.
he's in the courtroom.
Sergio, is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
¿Qué te dije?
So he's present in the courtroom, and then I have a Siobhan Solis.
No, let's take one at a time. What are you gonna do with Sergio?
Sergio Martinez, he has enough days in jail to satisfy judgment, Your Honor. I need to confer with him to make sure that's what he wants to do. Judge,
Okay, so-
can I
so-
ask you to give us another setting and then ask Mr. Martinez to come to my office immediately after court?
How much time you want? 2 weeks?
2 weeks would be good. Sergio, can you come to my office?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
November 19th.
November 19th.
And then if you could put me in a breakout room just to confer with the state that that's the game plan.
All right, sir. You're down the line a little bit, won't be long. Then your second one was
Siobhan Solis.
case number.
Case number is 647230.
647230. 2 cases on Siobhan.
Yes, I'd like to confer with the state also. I got all the discovery.
talk to him through Zoom? Because I have to use mine.
All right, Ms. Solis did not answer.
Miss Solis is here in my office.
Well, that's why she didn't answer.
Yes. Would you like to see her,
Right.
Judge?
Judge,
Hello?
yes, Judge, this is Gil. This is Thelma. He's gonna go ahead and log on to Zoom on his phone. So because I still have somebody else, a couple more people in the courtroom that I need to, so you can,
All right,
okay, so he's gonna log on. Mr. Martinez gonna log on to his phone and then Mr. Acevedo can talk to him through his phone.
No, have him
Okay.
come to my office. We're gonna reset it for 2 weeks.
Delma,
Yes, sir.
have Mr. Acevedo's client report to his office immediately,
Okay.
to Paul's office.
All right.
All right, thank you. All right,
Thank you.
now, back to Solis. She is
One more thing,
present.
Judge. He
She's
doesn't know
present in
his
your
office.
office.
1618 West Martin.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Okay,
1618 West Martin.
18 West Market.
now back to Solis.
She is here in my
She's
office,
your
Your Honor.
office. What are you gonna
Need to see
do
her.
on her?
Would you like to see her?
If you're an officer of the court, you're telling me that she's present in your office, that's fine.
She's present, Your Honor.
All right,
That one, I'd like to get in line to confer with the state.
okay, I've got you in there to confer with the state.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, Paul. Okay, attorneys, who else?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Hello?
Valerie Fisher. I'm back from conferring with the state judge, Mr. Keith Hernandez, 2 cases.
Who's speaking?
Valerie Fisher.
Valerie Fisher,
Which case number?
627-415. Okay. After conferring with the state's in agreement with requesting a month reset to track with a felony that may be taking care of our cases with it.
You said 30 days, more or less.
December 7th.
7th of December.
Perfect, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Stay safe.
Thank
That's
you,
Ray
Judge.
Aleman is here. I'm sorry.
Ray Aleman.
Yes, Judge, I'm sorry, I'm late again.
I'm not worried. I
You're-
understand. You're
Your Honor, is Miss Fisher and her client excused?
Miss Fisher and your client, you are both excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Raimundo,
Yes, I'm here on Christopher Dominguez. His case is 657-654. He should be logged in.
yes, he did answer.
Okay, this man was supposed to be on PTD like a month ago, and he claims that he's never gotten the notice to go on, which he did, because it came into my computer. I don't know why he didn't get it. And then he has a second case. The case today, he was supposed to come to try to take care of it, but he hasn't done the PTD yet. I don't know why. He hasn't
Okay.
connected with those people.
All right, are you gonna have him go to your office and get this straightened out?
I guess, John.
All right, let's recall it in 30 days.
All
Both
right,
cases,
Thank you.
December 8th.
December the 8th.
December 8th. You sure that's not a holiday? Oh, no, that's a Catholic holiday. It's not-
It should be for us Guadalupanos types.
Right.
All right, I'll give you to December the 8th. Get this cleared up, Raimundo.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, then y'all are both excused, you and Mr. Dominguez.
Thank you.
Attorneys, I'm listening.
Hi,
Who
Judge,
else?
I'm back. Ashley
Yeah.
Morgan's back.
Ms. Morgan, tell me which case number.
First case number is Mr. Tyler Davis, 661-750.
661-750 on page 5. All right, what you got on Tyler Davis?
We have a plea offer. I'm going to set him for a plea, hopefully on December 7th, if that still works for Miss Patty.
Yes, ma'am. Just make sure you email me your client's email address.
I have the email ready to go. I'm going to hit send once we're off of here.
Thank you.
And can I go into a breakout room whenever we're excused with him.
Of course, you have a second case.
I do. Miss Sutton, 648873.
Or 8873 on the third page.
Yes, page 3. Her case right now is with Jamisa. Jamisa's reviewing it. We've applied for the Veterans Treatment Court. She is a veteran. I guess at this point, Judge, let's put her on the trial docket.
Put her on trial docket.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
All righty. Then
And then-
you're excused. What'd you need?
I'm gonna excuse Miss Sutton. I'll call her, and then if we can go to a breakout room with Mr. Davis.
Of course. Patricia, would you place Ms. Morgan and Mr. Davis in breakout?
Yes, sir.
Judge, may I approach?
Who seeks to approach?
Monica Corrala on Mr. Luis Sanchez. cause
Ms.
number-
Corrala, how are you?
I'm doing well, Judge. I apologize for being late. I was in Judge Cahoon's court this morning for an in-person docket.
Hey.
Did I
I'm not the only judge in the courthouse. I understand. Ms. Corrala, give me the case number so I can find it a lot quicker.
Sure, it's 652-637.
652, okay, 637, top of page 4. Ms. Corrala, talk to me. What do you
So
want to do?
I received an offer from the prosecutor, and I just need to confer with my client's immigration attorney to be sure that client's aware of any sort of consequences that would result from accepting a plea in this case, and discuss a potential trial. So if we can have maybe a 30-day reset.
December 7th or 8th.
Either December 7th or the 8th.
The 7th, please.
Reset 7 December. Of course, that's 2021. I don't want you to come in and tell me, well, I thought it was 22.
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Corrala. You're reset for the 7th of December. Did you say you wanted to go
I'll
into
call-
breakout?
No, sir, I'll call my client right now. Thank you.
Now, on the immigration issue, please be sure obviously you're aware of by the University of Kentucky, and that's what you're talking about for one.
Certainly.
Make sure you comply with that. I don't want to come in at the last moment and then have to reset it.
Sure.
Thank you, though.
Do you need a formal letter, a Padilla letter?
If you can get it, if the immigration attorney is legitimate, it shouldn't be a problem. If you can't, I'll ask you on the record whether you believe there's been compliance or not, etc. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.
Next attorney, talk to me.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Who seeks to approach?
Sid Greehey, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
Sid Greehey, Your Honor, about cause number 665576.
665576.
Maria Burkett.
Yes, sir.
I
Maria
believe-
Burkett.
Yes, Your Honor.
I show Ivan Barrera. as
He's
your
here
attorney.
from Ivan's office.
Okay, now what was your name again?
My name is Sid Greehey, Your Honor.
Spell the last one.
Greehey.
All right, that's a well-known name in this community. You related?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Greehey, what can we do for you? What you gonna do?
We would request a reset. Ivan's working out of county this morning, and I believe he needs a little bit more time to go over discovery with the client.
Very good. We'll give you 30 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
December 7th or 8th.
December 7th or 8th, any preference?
The 7th will work.
7 December it is. All right.
Thank
Who
you. May I
else?
be excused?
You are excused. So is Ms. Burkett or Burkett.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Your Honor,
Yes.
may I approach? This is Luis Sanchez. May I be excused, or do I still need to stick around, sir?
Which case number is?
My name is Luis Sanchez.
Yes, sir.
This is attorney.
It's Monica Corella.
Yes,
Okay,
you're
I think
excused.
we just excused her, and obviously that means we excuse you too, sir.
Okay, I just wanted to make
Thank
sure,
you.
Judge. Thank you.
Thank you for making sure.
Well,
Better
Your Honor.
safe than sorry.
Judge, may I
Yes.
approach?
Who seeks to approach?
Eric DeWalt.
Well,
Eric DeWalt. I don't know if I'll let you approach Eric. What's going on, brother?
I actually have to head out to Kendall County, but we have pleas ready for you. I just can't get paperwork from Patty. Should we get a reset or might it come from her?
Yeah, a short reset, Eric, because that way I can send you the paperwork, you and your client, the paperwork, and it should be ready and done by the next time you come back.
Okay. How short of a reset?
You're real lucky today, get to go to Kendall County, huh?
About, I guess, Friday the 12th.
We'll do it
How
on
about Friday the 12th?
any other day than a Friday? Patty, any other
Monday?
day any other day than a Friday?
Monday the 15th.
Right. Let's do Friday the 12th.
Friday the 12th.
Yes,
I'm sorry, Eric. Okay, thank you.
that's okay.
Eric,
Yes.
I have a meeting with a client on the 12th at 2 p.m. Is that going to be any conflict?
How does Monday the 15th look for you, sir?
Looks fine.
Patty, Tuesday the
sir.
16th?
Monday or Tuesday, the 16th.
Tuesday would be better for me. I am slammed on Monday.
1-6.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be in touch, Mr. Sheffield. Thank you, Patty. Thank you,
You're
Judge.
welcome.
All right, you're both excused. Thank you.
Morning, Judge. Robert Gear.
Robert Gear, what's going on today?
Good morning, Judge. I have Levon Forrester, probably number one on the docket, 500-880.
Yes, sir.
I got a letter from pretrial that he had absconded or had some issues with his felony that's pending. He's got a possession case. I believe they issued a warrant for him.
That's right.
It does show that he has a warrant. He's a fugitive, and I am obviously going to name him a failure to appear also.
Okay, I just wanted to check in, let you know that I have made an appearance, and I'll keep Patty posted on the progress if they find him.
Appreciate you showing up and answering. Thank you. Take care. And
Thank you,
stay
Judge.
safe.
You too.
Judge, this is Ron Zimmerman. May I approach?
Yes, sir, Mr. Zimmerman. Which case number?
It would be,
Your Honor, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. May I interrupt? On page 3, Your Honor, it's Eric Francis Carrier. The defendant is in the courtroom. Thelma just texted me that said that the defendant's in the courtroom. Apparently, Oscar Hernandez approached you about this yesterday and asked you to reset it the same day as a felony. And I guess Mr. Carrier was not informed.
Okay.
But he's in the courtroom. You want to let Thelma know that.
Thelma Castillo,
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
please inform Mr. Carrier that his case is being reset. That you should contact Oscar Hernandez.
Okay.
His
It was
attorney.
just, he came in at 9:28, Judge, to let you
All right.
know.
But it wasn't, it was reset from yesterday's.
It's already reset, and he is excused, but remind him to get together with Mr. Hernandez.
Okay, thank you.
Come back on the 19th, November 19th.
Thank you, Patty.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Your Honor, Mike Collins, may I make an announcement?
Mike Collins. Case number.
Yes, 6-1.
I got it.
Early on, you have it, Your Honor?
The Shauna Collins?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes,
confirm my
what's your-
client. We got a potential plea working. Can we come back in about 2 weeks to do the paperwork?
Recall. 2 weeks for plea.
Can I get a date from Patty to make sure it fits my schedule?
No.
Well, she's
sorry.
she's single, but I don't know if she's gonna give you a date.
You're on a roll today, Your Honor. You gotta quit the day job.
The fun of that went down the drain because she was on the phone. Mike Collins asked for you to give him a date, and I said, well, you're single, but I don't know if you want to date.
He's on a roll, Patty.
Something.
Yeah,
Okay, reset for what, Judge?
2 weeks for a plea on LaShawna Collins.
And I'll chat you my client's email and mine too. Patty.
Okay, November 17th or 18th, Wednesday or Thursday?
Is there any way to do the 16th, Patty?
Okay, sure. I don't know why they ask me for dates and then they give me their own date.
All right.
I won't ask you for
Next,
anything.
next attorney, let's hear it.
Judge, this is Ron Zimmerman. We were in the middle of discussing Mr. Green's case. I have conferred with the state. We reset the case last time for me to review some additional discovery. I've reviewed that and I received an offer from the state today. I would like to be able to get a reset to confer with my client.
That's on the green.
Yes, on Jeffrey Green, and that would be
Yeah, I've got the number.
659-756.
Yeah.
He doesn't want me to put him on a breakout room with his client right now?
Yeah, let's put you in there to confer with your client now.
Actually, Judge, I need to go over to the magistrate's court. I was supposed to be there at 9:10.
That's right. You had told us that a while ago. All right.
How long the reset?
How long a reset, Ron?
Judge, I think I could come back on whenever it is convenient for the court, obviously. How about sometime on the 17th or 18th?
17th.
17 November, you are reset.
Okay, thank you very much, Judge. And if
You're welcome.
Mr. Green and I may be excused.
You are both excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Approach Judge.
Who seeks to?
Cornelius.
Cornelius Cox. I just need to go
Absolutely,
to breakout
Mr.
room
Cox.
with prosecutors.
What time is it, Patty?
Oh, okay.
He's been
I'm
here,
early.
Judge.
I know.
I've been here.
What time is it?
It's 9:49.
I want the record to show that it's not even 10 o'clock and Cornelius has already showed up twice.
Twice.
Cornelius.
Yes,
what
sir.
you got, brother?
I just need to, you've already gonna reset mine. I just need to go in line and talk to a prosecutor.
Okay. On which case are you talking about? Bush?
I put him there, Judge. Yes, sir. December 11.
Bush is reset for 11th of December.
No.
Oh, never mind.
No, he was conferring with his other client and he's done conferring with his
Okay,
other
so
client
you're gonna confer on what, Cornelius?
on Roosevelt Bush.
On Bush?
I already put him in the
Okay,
breakout room,
all right.
Judge. Number
Very good.
11.
That one. Who else? Attorneys? I'm listening.
Can I just- Excuse me, can I just make sure that I am in line to speak with the prosecutor?
That's fine.
Who is that?
Charlie Gonzalez, I'm here.
I'm sorry, Charlie. Yes, I'm so sorry. You're
Okay.
number 12.
Okay.
What's the name?
Attorney Charlie Gonzalez. It's the
Oh,
last case,
yes,
Judge.
yes. X. All right. Yes, ma'am, you're on the list. Forgotten momentarily, but on the list. I have her as number 9, by the way.
Catherine.
Yes, Patty.
Right. I know Ashley's conferring.
Yeah, I'm just finishing up some paperwork and then I'll hop in.
All right, thank you.
Any other attorney need to approach?
Yes, Your Honor, I do. Attorney John Garcia. I have a client and he missed his court date last week and we're getting him in today. Let me get you his cause number. Yeah, his cause number is 669-248. It's on Daryl Johnson.
669-248. What is the name?
Daryl Johnson. He's here, Your Honor.
Spell the
And I
first
think,
name.
oh, Daryl.
Darrell Johnson.
All right.
We should have some.
He was an FTA from 10/26, Judge. That was a week ago Tuesday.
He's already exceeded the 1 week limit.
He's got 2 cases. The other one
Two
is
cases.
669-249.
669-248 and 669-249. Tell me why I shouldn't go ahead and just issue the warrant.
We should have. I think my client's like 17 or 18 years old.
Hey, Macy, sir, I just turned 18 October 8th. I was 17 when everything happened.
Yes, Your Honor, and we should have something worked out. I've been, since the case has started, I've been emailing the prosecutor, and we should have something worked out. We're just waiting for a court date to do the plea paperwork.
Okay, Mr. Garcia, let's agree or understand one thing. Mr. Johnson has gotten himself in court by his own behavior, or at least by his alleged behavior.
Yes, Your Honor.
He's been late on this occasion. I am making a note mentally. If he is late a second time, I will issue a warrant for him. Is that understood, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, sir.
All righty. We're gonna reset you, Patricia.
For a plea, Judge?
This is gonna be for a plea, John?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
May we set it for Wednesday, November 17th?
The 17th of November, how's that?
That I have a trial setting in County Court 7 on that date, but I think we should be able to get it done in I don't know.
Well, just get all the paperwork done ahead of time, okay?
Make sure you
Okay.
send me your client's email address. Email me your client's email address so I can send you the paperwork and you and him could have it ready by whatever date you decide to come back.
I will, and I sent you the email today, so
Okay, all right.
I'll
So what
make sure
day-
you get it. I'll make sure you get it, Patty.
So what day, sir?
17 November? You
I
said you
think-
set for, you said you
Yeah, I'm
set
set
for
for-
trial.
Yeah, I'm set for trial in County Court 7.
How about the 15th, Judge, Monday?
How about Monday, the 15th?
That sounds awesome. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we'll do Monday, the 15th on this instead of the 17th. Okey dokey.
15th. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Attorneys listening.
Is he and Mr. Johnson excused, Judge?
Mr. Garcia, Mr. Johnson, y'all are excused. Thank you for appearing.
Thank you, Your Honor. Stay safe.
Thank you.
All right, attorneys who need to approach. Hello,
Yes, Judge, can I approach?
Paul?
Yes, Judge, I conferred with the state. So on Martinez, I think Patty was gonna send me a 2-week reset,
November 19th, yes, sir.
November 19th.
Some
And
people-
then on Siobhan Solis, Judge, if I could get a 30-day reset, they're gonna
Page
email me an
3.
offer. And I need to get some insurance verification
You need reset for 30 days, you said?
on Solis. Yes, sir.
December 8th,
8th of December.
December 8th.
Yes, sir.
is that gonna be a plea at that time, Paul?
I'm anticipating it is. I cannot guarantee it, but I am
Okay.
anticipating it was. And that
All
wasn't
right.
me that burped or whatever it was. It wasn't me. I don't know who that was, but it wasn't me.
All right, Paul, take care.
Thank you, Judge.
Attorneys that need to report to the
Mary
court.
Petrasik is back, Judge.
Mary Petracek.
She's-
Mary
Muted.
Petracek is muted. I guess you don't want to talk to us. That's okay with me.
Mhm.
Sergio. Okay.
Sharon Thorne.
Send in Siobhan.
Sharon Thorne.
I'm still waiting on paperwork, Judge. I don't know if Patty's had a chance to send it to me.
I have not.
Okay. So we're in a
There's
holding
a-
pattern.
Yes, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Judge, this is Jay Norton.
Mr. Norton.
I'm in that same holding pattern with Mrs. Thorne. We've got all the paperwork done from the state. I think we're just lacking the application for deferred.
okey-dokey.
So can we take a break, Judge, so I can do that?
We're
And
gonna
maybe you
then
can,
recess for at least 10 minutes. We're gonna get things squared away and see if we can get these pleas done and get you folks out of here.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Patty.
Thank you, Honor.
you're
Thanks,
welcome.
Patty.
You're welcome.
In the meantime, I'm gonna see if I can get my computer to.
Judge, I don't know, Attorney Roberto Ramirez is there too.
Your Honor,
Roberto.
I apologize. I did not have a link for this court and been spending a little bit trying to get it, but I have a case, Adrian Winters, and he's
Is that on
pending a
today's
felony.
docket? That's not today's docket, but go ahead. What you got?
Well, I had a notice that it was today, so that would explain why I didn't get the link. So maybe it got moved and I didn't. But we
What's
just
the
need
case number?
659671.
And the name is what?
Adrian Winters.
This is in jail.
Adrian Winters.
Judge, it's crossed off.
It was crossed off our
That's why I
docket.
didn't send him anything. It's gonna get reset for felonies pending
Now, he's got a felony pending, right?
several. Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor. It's still kind of an ongoing thing, and he's asked for they granted a motion for me to withdraw, but I'm staying on this case, but he's
Looks
so
like
that's
the
kind of,
felonies are set November 19th.
yes, to see the status of whether he got a new attorney or not. So,
Do you want to reset it after that, Judge?
Yeah.
Will we do Monday, November 29th?
659671.
Is it-
Mr. Ramirez is reset to 29 November.
thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You're excused.
Thank you.
Sorry
Your Honor.
about the confusion, Mr. Ramirez.
No, that's okay. That's fine. Learning the ropes. Take care.
Huh.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
You too. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Okay, what do we got?
So that's it for now.
10-minute break, folks, and minimum of 10 minutes. We're gonna